Friday, December 9th. First thing in the morning, I realized the GC would be short. Then I called it short. I had a level to call it short from 1170 here with 10 tick stop. If you see the typing in the chat window, it's obvious. Everything is clear. I call them 10 tick stop. Then I got out immediately. Took me out immediately. That was a 10 tick on three contracts. That was 30 tick. That was first thing in the morning. But then I got in again half. If you look at this trade, folks, I was looking for a hold on two contracts only short on gold. I gold it from 1170.5, 1172 area gold short. But as I was looking for a big move on gold, and I said if we break 1168, I will look for another move down. I was looking for about 100 to 200 ticks move down. Unfortunately, I made only 50 ticks on the first move, although I would have made 100 ticks on the runner, but I made 10 ticks on the, sorry, 20 ticks on the first contract. I got in with two contracts, not full three contract position. I told them I'm getting in with two contracts. So you count 20 ticks first, straightforward 20, and then I got 30 on the runner. I locked in 30 ticks, but the move was about 100 ticks in my favor at the end. It moved 100 ticks in my favor, then it stopped moving. However, it was okay. After all, 71 ticks for the day. Another trade, it was a Nasdaq in and out with the runner, small runner though, scalp. There was a 940 or 945 trade on Nasdaq short. I called it verbally and then I typed it, but the entry was 90 or 90.5, no, 4890.5, I think, yeah. So as you see, it moved as soon as I called it, we got in, it moved a point, but then there was chance for the market because I was looking for a small move, like 5 to 10 points move on the Nasdaq. It did go nicely, first target, and then my stop loss was actually, I said 3 points initially, but then I said no, move it to 92.50, basically 2 points or a point and a half risk, whichever they got for the entry. But then it moved in our favor, as you see. Nasdaq here moved, we got out, and then moved back up. It was a good trade. That was a 40 tick move in my favor. So overall, not a bad day at all. I had a TF short Russell, as you see here. Then I actually brought in the Russell charts. I don't have them on NinjaTrader, but I have them on Sierra chart. So I brought the Russell charts in to show everybody. That was the Russell trade, as you see from this. I called it. It was a 12 tick move only. I got just 12 ticks out of it. That was at 6 on 2 and then break even on the last. But it did go for 12 to 15 ticks in our favor and then moved to break even after that. Wasn't too bad. Friday, I wasn't expecting much. The only thing that happened that was major is getting out of our crude from yesterday. I got out from my crude yesterday long at about 100 ticks yesterday in the Asian Open, but some people kept it. So today, I told
Alert
everybody
GBP/NSDAQ1.
to get out of the crude because this bubble I said is going to be the top of the day, and it's clear because I not only said it, but if you look at the box, if you paid attention to the box here, I actually said crude is going to be the top of the day, that bubble. If you see, I said crude will be the top of the day on that bubble, and so far it is the top of the day. So we got out. We got out of the crude. I was out yesterday. Some people got out today, and then I called an exit on crude on the options call and CFD. I flattened my CFD call on crude today. If you read this here, I said CFD flat on US oil, which is crude, and I said 5160 possible to be TOD, top of day, today. So since 8 a.m. or so until now, this is the top of the day so far. Treasury note, I wanted to go short from this bubble. It came close to it. You see it around 840. Never touched it. Um, Gold, um, again, we caught the top 1172 area. I called it. We got 1171 level. 100 ticks move. I got only 50 overall out of it. Uh, I'm looking for nat gas short from the upper line today. As you see, it touched the middle line and came back down, so it never gave me that precise entry. So it is Friday after a week of hesitation. The week ended up nicely. Um, Still averaged 100 ticks between today and yesterday, minus 20 the day before, and 100 on December 6th. Um, which was Tuesday, and Monday was 130. So we averaged just under 100 ticks this week a day, which is common because I'm looking at big frames. I'm looking at big trades. I'm not looking to scalp. Mind you, sometimes my stop loss would be 25 ticks times 3, that is 75 ticks right there. So it's not surprising to look for big moves and big days. 100 ticks is average. I'm aiming for more, but some weeks are not as good as others. So, but 100 ticks average a day is not bad for us so far. We've been averaging that since we started this new system of looking at 30, 40 different instruments in different markets, but only taking the ones that are highest possible trades, 75 or 80% or more of reversals, the possibility reversals. Thanks again. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.